Grindmaster, absolute engineering.
So let us run the tube polishing video. Some videos I'll run, yeah, and then I'll talk about it. I have told you the round tube fully automatic machine for a big diameter tube. And see, even the loaders, we have different varieties depending on the weight of the tube, the diameter of the tube or a bar, if it is a seamless tube or if it is a lightweight tube. The roller supports also change. So these are really the solutions which can be provided only by partnering with the customer. We need to understand your purpose of this machine, why you want it, the what all things, deliverables, and then working together to give you the right solution. Maybe we can run it faster here. No, we can. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you see the wheels are coming from top in this. Then, yeah. So you see a tube completely polished and taken out. There are rollers which press the tube from the top to keep it in place. Then coolant is purposely kept very low. Please don't be under impression that such a low volume of coolant is actually used for belt grinding. Actually, you need a very heavy kind of coolant if you really want to achieve the best finishing results or the grinding results from the tube. Now you will see that here the loading unloading is manual in that machine. Now this is a high speed machine because it is meant only for making the surface uniform. So there is no other purpose, no stock removal. You don't need to have the good mirror finish. And you will see the operator is holding down in between because the speed is very high. So this is not a fully automatic machine. This is, we call it a semi-automatic machine, wherein with the optimized cost, you are getting the result. Again, here you will see the, for finishing the same tube in a fully automatic manner, you have a roller support with various wheels from the top which keep the tube pressed against the bottom rollers. You can see a big diameter job also getting ground. We have done up to 230 diameter with different methods. We also have, in fact, developed the machines which grind very heavy billets and bars. This was installed at nuclear fuel complex. If possible, if time permits, I can show you the video. Now, all these videos are available on the YouTube. Yeah. So yeah, this is for the solid bars where you use a belt grinding process for finishing post grinding. So to achieve, say, pump shaft quality finish, what they call the solid bars, which need H9 tolerance and the specific finish of, say, less than 0.4 RA, this can be achieved with this machine. All are called as round tube machines, but the purposes are different. They are, now you can see that this black bar is getting converted to a bright bar by using the abrasive belts and by finishing with the abrasive belts. So descaling is one of the purposes. You can do the descaling of the seamless tubes or billets or round bars. This particular machine, what you see, is for the cut length tubes. And this was in fact exported to a nuclear fuel industry in Canada. And they are very, very happy with this machine. I'm happy to say that worldwide there are very few players who have developed automatic centerless machines to this level. So we have the competition from Europe, definitely, but I think we stand a good chance with the kind of developments we are doing in-house. Again, you will see these, I'm showing you mostly the automatic machines because the simple machines are just simple to operate and you just feed the tube through all these different heads for finishing. The number of heads process again has to be determined carefully. We have also used the combination of belt and wheels to achieve specific results. So indeed, it is all related to the process. I think we can go here further and maybe go back. Yeah, before and after. Yeah, okay. So wire rod, I think we will skip. Do you want to see cookware or you want me to skip it? Okay, I can show it
Please
quickly.
go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, cookware polishing, because I think, Rohit, we are running short of time, right?
I think, ma'am, we have time.
Okay.
We'll
Yeah.
spend some time on question and answer.
Yes.
So
So,
please go ahead.
yeah. So these are simple cookware machines. They can be set for finishing bottom radius and diameter. And this is now internal sunray finishing, uh, which I mentioned to you. And this is for polishing the flat surfaces of the leads. Then there are machines. Rotary machines can be given also for the leads. We have done some such machines. You can see this machine was given to TTK for the cooker leads. Then we have some base grooving machines. This is a video that shows all the cookware machines, right? So this was a quick video, and yeah. So yes, so cookware polishing, and then maybe we can go to the why it is stuck up. Yeah. So polishing square and rectangular tubes, this I will show you briefly. There are heads from top and bottom. The difference in our machine and Chinese machines, the main difference is the easy adjustments, because you see in China, uh, one tube mill produces one size of the tube for the lifetime. I mean, it is set and it is run at that size all the time. Whereas Indian makers, not all makers have those volumes of one particular tube. So when we made the machines, we have made it in such a way that the adjustment for the tube size is easy, not difficult like moving in the slot, moving the entire head. There are easy adjustments provided for the tube size setting. So this is quickly the square tube. There are a large number of videos. You can very well see it on the YouTube. So little bit on the descaling of the wire rods. Uh, yeah, again, here even descaling can be done either with the wheel or with the belt. It depends on how much surface defects you really want to remove. So typically we ask a lot of questions before offering the model. As and this is again learned from hard experience. Like the model may be good, but the process is not right. I have seen many companies using some machines not effectively, even our machines sometimes, because they are changed at the customer end and somebody changes it and something happens to the machine. But in-depth process study is what is really important to get the best result out of it. Even if you have a 5-head machine, if you can complete the processes in 3 or 4, you should do that and keep those 2 heads aside. Yeah, so we have come to the end of this presentation, and so I wish to thank everyone. I want to say here one thing, that metal finishing is an art and a science.